guys, I'm back. Today we're doing a True Beauty inspired makeup tutorial. I started watching this show and I love it. It's so interesting. I'm team Suho, if anyone's asking. I know I've been doing a lot of makeup videos, so try to give me more ideas because I feel like I keep doing makeup videos. Anyways, let's get into it. Okay, first I'm going to start with some foundation. Alright, now I'm gonna blend. Alright, next we're gonna add some concealer to fully cover the dark spots. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit of contour. I'm just gonna blend the contour. Okay, next we're gonna move on to eyeshadow. I'm gonna use some of this pink shade. And I'm gonna add some shimmer to it. I think I put too much eyeshadow, but next I'm just gonna add some eyeliner to it. Okay, this isn't coming out how I wanted, but next we're gonna add some blush. Okay, next I'm gonna add some mascara. Okay, next I'm gonna add some lipstick. Okay, I'm gonna add a little more concealer. Okay, next I'm gonna add some setting spray. Okay guys, this is how it came out. I try not to put like too much makeup. But anyways, thanks for watching this video. I tried my best with this look. We're super close to 1,000 subscribers, so please subscribe if you're new. Anyways, thanks for watching and subscribe for more.